Hello and welcome all German learners to the Deutsch learning channel. I am here to make learning German very fun and easy way for you. Let's jump in and have a great time learning together.
Das Alphabet. The German alphabet consists of 26 letters, which are the same as the English alphabet. Moreover, there are 4 special characters in German that we will learn about in this video. Don't forget to repeat after me. A. Apfel. A. Apfel. P. Pal. Pal. C. Kaffee. C. Kaffee. D. Drucker. E. Elephant. Elephant. F, like in English. F, fish. G, Garten. Garten. H, house. House. E. Ingenieur. Ingenieur. J. Junge. Junge. K. Katze. Katze. L, like in English. L, Lampe. M, like in English. M, Mutter. Mutter. N, like in English. N, Nummer. Nummer. O, Oma. Oma. P, P, Pferd, P, Pferd, Kuh, Kuh, quiz, Kuh, quiz, R, Rad, Rad, S, Sonne, S, the sound of Z in English. T, Tisch, Tisch, O, Ohr, Ohr, V, Vogel, has a sound of F in English. V has a sound of V in English. Wasser. V, Wasser. X, Xylophone. Xylophone. Y has a sound like Y in English. Y, yoga. Z, pronounced like Z in English. Z, zebra. Now let's learn about the 4 additional letters in the German alphabet. A, and open your mouth when you say this letter. A, this double dot above the letter, its name umlaut in German. A, Äpfel. A, Äpfel. Ü, 5. Ü, 5. Ü, close your lips when you say this letter. Ü, Öl. SZ,
Straße.
has the sound of the double S in English.
Let us take a moment to thoroughly analyze each one of them before we end this lesson.
A, P, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and for special character in German, E, Ü, Ü, SZ. If you like my video, a thumbs up would mean the world to me, and subscribe my channel to get all new videos. Thanks for watching.